Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is doing the consistency challenge with Maddie James. And listen, it's not only on Instagram, it's in life, okay? I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube. I'm gonna be consistent at home, okay? Because today I was like, I'm not about to let this laundry sit here for another day. I've been washing laundry like consecutively for like the past few days, but I have not been folding it. And today I was like, boo, get it done. I was going to take a nap because Haley's babysitter is here, but I was like, you know what? Let me get this laundry done. Let me wash my hair. Let me record this video for y'all, okay? So, like I stated in my previous video, if you did not watch it, make sure you go watch how to style a FLEXI rod set. 3 cute ways, okay? Yeah, so like I said in that last video, I recorded this process that I'm about to show you guys, but well, I thought I was recording, but it wasn't recording. So when I went to go look at the footage, there was no footage. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. Today, I'm going to be using the Eden Body Works foam conditioner, which is the same one that I used for the other style from my previous video. Make sure that you subscribe if you aren't already a part of the family. Make sure you give this a thumbs up if you liked it, if it was understandable, if it was relatable, if you're gonna try it at home, if you're gonna show a friend, just give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below if this was easy to follow. If you want me to try a different brand or whatever you want to tell me. Yes, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is @mytapebates. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure you share this with a friend. So let's get right into the video. All right, so this is what we have now. Just my twist. My color is fading and I do plan on hooking it up again, but I don't know what color to do. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. So first we are going to put this hair up. This is gonna be such a quick and easy hairstyle, honestly. Make sure you have your Denman brush, your foam, some extra clips just in case, and of course your FLEXI rods. I know somebody's going to ask, where did I get this? Wow, I bought this over 10, no, I bought this 9 years ago. And I don't even know where I bought it. I think I bought it on, I don't even know. I can't even tell you. Just Google big FLEXI rod pack. That's all I could tell you. So yeah, I've had this for like 9 years. Yeah, so you'll just need some of these and that is it. Just make sure that they're washed and clean because sometimes, you know, the old product stays in it. We don't want that. So yeah, so we're gonna get started with this half. And the mistake that I made last time when I was doing this was I made my sections too big, so I'm gonna try not to do that this time around. And I'm gonna try not to use as much foam just because I found myself wasting it on the towel. Run your fingers through it, get it nice and in there. Let's go through it with our Denman brush. We're gonna split this in half because we don't want it to be too much hair in one section. All right, guys. So let's comb through that once again. I'm gonna use the orange ones down below. So if that was a little difficult to see from the back, I will explain it in the front, okay? All right, guys, so we're here in the front, and I'm going to give you an up close on how to do it, okay? So we're gonna split the hair in half. Split it in half. Make your horseshoe shape like this. We're gonna open it and put it in between the halves. Then we're gonna turn clockwise. And then we're gonna lay it down. And the other one can also go clockwise. There you have it. And if you see any hairs like that around your head, you can either take some of the gel and lay it down, or just use the extra foam on your fingers to lay it down. Got it? All right, guys, I made it to the front. It has not even been that long. It's probably been about half hour. So this is a really easy, really quick style you can do. This one is a little loose, so I'm just tightening it. I don't need any of them to unravel, okay? All right, guys, well, I am done. And just a disclaimer, this is my first time recording on my new camera, and it has like the little screen where I can see myself, so I keep looking up at it. I just need to get used to seeing myself there. Yeah, just in case you find that kind of thing annoying, because I do. Anyways, let me give you guys a 360, and then I'm going to dry my hair, and I'll be back when it's done. All right, so my hair should be dry after sitting under the hair dryer for what was an hour and a half. I did give myself an extra half hour just because I did not trust that they were all fully dry. So before I do take them out, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Curl Shine by Talia Wajid because yeah, I just want to add some extra shine. All right, so we're gonna start with the back. And we're just going to turn the hair in the direction that we wrapped it. Sometimes it gets stuck, I really don't know why. There we go. Ooh, it come through, sis. Wow, this just might be my new favorite hairstyle, honestly. It's so quick to do and so cute. It's so shiny, oh my gosh. Wow, do you see this? All right, guys, what do you think? I don't even want to separate them. I think I'm gonna leave them just like this. They came out perfect. Do you know what perfect means? Perfect. Look at this. Perfect. Even my roots are soft. Wow. All right, guys, well, this is my final thought on the Eden Body Works foam conditioner. I give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. It left my hair super soft, super bouncy, and super shiny, and I am loving it for real. I'm definitely satisfied with the results. Last time I did pretty big sections and it didn't dry to my liking, but this time I did smaller sections and I dried my hair a little bit longer. So that's definitely something I will keep doing for the next 4 videos. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, share with a friend who might be struggling on learning how to do the FLEXI rod method. And hey, get to practicing. Leave a comment, follow me on my Instagram, make sure you let me know how it goes, and stay tuned for the next videos. Until next time.